Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about advertisement, which is very much compulsory syllabus to be completed in standard 11th and 12th CBSE. So what is advertisement? So an advertisement is a kind of public announcement which is made through a popular media medium. So it can be like a newspaper, magazine, radio, etc. So there are other ways also, for example, on the placard also we write as well if you have to give an advertisement of certain product or something. And basically you have an idea that an advertisement is generally of around 50 words. So with minimum words, how to create maximum effect on the audience, that is a work of advertisement. So let us see and note what actually advertisement is. So, the word advertisement is basically a public notice or announcement asking for example offering services, then advertising for buying or selling property, household goods, vehicles, etc. And also, on the other hand, it provides information about some missing people, pets, goods, and so on. Okay, so the written draft of an advertisement is also termed as a copy. Clear? So the marking is assigned to the students for a correct format and the content which you are writing in an advertisement. Clear? So now let us go to understand how many types of advertisements are there. So there are basically two types of advertisements, that are classified advertisements and commercial or display advertisements. So classified advertisements basically are used by the general masses to promote or use services, and the only concern which you have to deal with in classical advertisement is to get things noticed with as much minimum words. Okay, you have to use less words to give a more impact, and it should be brief, more economical, because you have to pay very less and you have to give much information. Okay, and everything is very much definite and classified into groups. Okay, so here you have to note down some essential details of classical advertisement. That is, classified ads are of in between the range of 50 words. Then it is clearly stating the category. For example, to let is there, vacancy, wanted, for sale. So these all topics come under classified advertisement. Then you have to put the matter inside a box. So the box is very much compulsory. Inside that you have to put your material. Then it is very much compulsory to give a contact address and mobile number. And nowadays email, everything has been very much available. So if you want to have a, reply on a mail id or in a on a contact number of the company or something, or your personal mobile for selling of plot or buying of plot or anything, then you have to write down the address, okay, and proper information. Now in commercial or display advertisement, it is very much digital, we can say, and it is occupying much space, and it is very much normal nowadays, because the old media and advertisements are coming under classified. As in newspapers you have seen, basically wanted, bride wanted, groom wanted, then what vacancies available in colleges or educational field. So these all are coming under classified, whereas in commercial, regarding any product, for example toothpaste, oil, then what type of comb you will be having, or what type of shirt, or what company is emerging with what new concepts. So that all are coming under commercial or display advertisements, and it is basically visually very much attractive, and slogans and linguistic styles such as metaphor and all, everything is given in a very proper manner. Okay, so this is coming under commercial or display advertisements. So in this first video of advertisement, we will be discussing the first type, that is classified ads, and under that what all things are there which constitute of this classified advertisement. Let us see. So now let us discuss what are the classified advertisements, or what types it constitute of. So here are some of the types, that are situations, vacant or wanted. I told you, if a company has a vacancy, for example, of a male receptionist or a female receptionist, an engineer is required in a company, so it is very much urgent. So these type of advertisements are coming under classified. Then sale of a plot or purchase of a property or something. Vehicle is there, household good is there, to let is there, some missing people are there, lost and found, travel and tours, then matrimonial alliance, which I said, bride wanted or groom wanted, their age, color, then height, all these things, they belong to which caste. So matrimonial alliance is very much known to you. Then obituary means if anybody has is dead, or in their memory you are writing something. Then appeal of any thing. Then on the educational background, if you are opening a college, then or a school, what people are needing for admissions and all. Standard 10 for standard 11 and 12 CBSE courses are available. So this kind of advertisements are all coming under classified. So now in this video we are going to discuss the first type, that is situations vacant and wanted. So let us see now. So situation vacant or wanted. So here you have to write or keep in mind some very important details which are very much necessary here. Okay, so here first of all you have to keep in mind that they should always be drafted in such a way that they would attract the readers to go through them. Then they should always be meaningful and interesting. Okay, then you have to put a simple and an effective language so that everybody will understand and it will reach to maximum number of audience. Okay, then they should always be brief and to the point. Then the name of the advertiser and the advertised product should be suitably highlighted, because you are giving the advertisement so that the audience would seek you, the readers would seek you, and if it is not clear, then it is no use of preparing such an advertisement with less details. Okay, so here in situation vacant and wanted, you have to start with what is required. For example, if you are requiring a female receptionist, so you have to try first write wanted. Somebody is wanted or somebody is required for this post. Then you have to write the name of the post, then the pay scale, how much the company will be able to pay, then company name. Or pay scale means not according, means the exact amount you have to write down. Such aspects have been different in different advertisements. Then what is your qualification and how much experience you require. For example, for a receptionist you want at least 2 years of experience or so, that you can put forward. Then professional status, then essential requirements and age, which is very much important for that post. Then mode of application means the person could reach out to you in which form, through email or direct phone number is given, so that sort of things. So here two examples I have given you from the newspaper. So here it is, female IELTS teacher required. So requirements have been given. The minimum education graduation MA in English, experience will be preferred, must be bold and confident. Then what are the benefits of the candidate, which will be prioritizing the vacancy for them, that is higher salary than other institutes. Okay, then fuel charges will be given and other allowances also will be provided. Then here what form of interview will be conducted, that is given, that is walk-in interview. The time and date is given. Then which institute is conducting that, AKS Institute of Languages and Computer Courses, which is very well mentioned. Then the address is very much important, so you have to clearly write the address and the number. So this is one of the format of writing of a situation if there is a vacancy or anybody is wanted. So another also I have given for a female receptionist. So in block letters in big format it has been written, wanted for reputed construction company in Margo, reception female. And what are the qualifications they are looking into? Good computer skills and pleasing personality. So now the construction name has been given, number has been given, for interview they could seek out. Okay, so these are the two examples, and another format is also there. Let us discuss about that. So here this is the format in which you have to write. So I told you that classified advertisement must be in a box. So here you see situation vacant is given and it should be written in capital. Then required or wanted, for what post and how many vacancies are there. Then your company name or organization. Then what is the limit, age limit. Then educational qualification, how much experience you require. Then if any extra qualifications are there, for example computer knowledge and fluency in English, so this are there, this would be the add-on. Then how what type of personality you are acquiring for, then how much salary you could be providing and other benefits you will be explaining over there. Okay, then mode of applying and time for submission, so within what time period and what form of application you are accepting, that you have to write. Then contact address and phone number. Okay, so here you see two parts are there. One is the situation vacant and the body or the content which you have to focus on. So I have given the pattern over here on the left side, and the right side you see one example is given. So wanted a small confident PA or stenographer for a leading export house. The qualification is graduation, 25 to 30 years of age. Typing speed should be this much. Shorthand speed should be this much. And preference to those who can handle computer. Since salary is negotiable, so how much experience you have and how much greater qualification you have, according to that salary will be discussed in the interview. Then apply with complete biodata or CV, and it has to be received by the company by 20th December to the secretary. Okay, then the address has been given, pin code and number is given. So this is a very simple example, and you have to keep in mind that everything should be brief and to the point, because you have to give minimum number of words and maximum information to the person who is receiving. Clear? So this is the first type of classified advertisement, that is situations regarding vacancy or something wanted. Okay, so hope you would have understood this thing. So now, according to the reduced syllabus of CBSE in the year 2020, the marking pattern is slightly changed. Before it was of 4 marks, advertisement was coming of 4 marks in the exam, but now it is reduced to 3. And then these 3 marks are divided as per this. The format is consisting of 1 mark, content is 1 mark, and expression is 1 mark. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind and you have to prepare likewise. Okay, so I hope you would have understood everything. So this is the end of part 1. In the next video I will be discussing some other types, that is the sale of property and purchase. Okay, so or to let missing people or pets or goods, anything we will be discussing on that. So thank you, and please like, share and subscribe.